So seriously, if you guys have displays that aren't working, take them out and reflow the solder on all the connectors. I found a bunch of what appeared to be, and were obviously, loose solder joints, but I was getting flickering and ghosting, the whole 9 yards. But just took my gun. I actually sucked the solder off and, flowed some new stuff on there with great results. This is exciting, very promising. I'm gonna do the last 3 here. I think that's the credit, game, display, and then you've got players 3 and 4 here. So very cool. They look good. What can I say? Exciting. Cool. Well, thank you guys, seriously, for all the tips. So, one less thing to do, I guess. All right. Cheers.